blizzard howled outside, turning my street into a white wasteland. Mom and I were snowed in, the fireplace casting flickering shadows on the living room walls. Suddenly, a loud thump came from the backyard. We both jumped. "Probably just a branch falling," Mom said, but her voice didn't sound convinced. I peeked through the frosted window. A figure, tall and cloaked in white, lurched past the fence line, disappearing into the blizzard. That night, I couldn't sleep. Every creak and groan of the old house sent shivers down my spine. The next morning, the blizzard had cleared, revealing something chilling. Footprints, large and uneven, led from our property to the neighbor's house, Mr. Henderson's. Mr. Henderson was an odd one, always kept to himself,